tardigrade can survive in outer space. No suit, no oxygen. Nothing. Stick around because fact number 4 is so gross your teacher would never tell you this in class. Algorithms are the recipes behind everything from cooking to social media feeds. They decide what you see online, like or share. Imagine a school bus full of pizzas. Each pizza is a recommendation for you. Algorithms decide which slice goes to each kid. But that's nothing compared to what's next. These algorithms can predict your every move. It broke the internet when scientists found out. You can use these algorithms to your advantage. Learn how to make them work for you, not against you. The biggest takeaway, you have the power to understand and use algorithms for your benefit. Which fact blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments, I read every single one.